Howdy, and welcome to the park. We're at US-0548, the Hagerman National Wildlife Refuge. We're going to get a Parks on the Air activation using a CW-only QRP rig. Why don't you meet me at the table over there, and I'll show you what we brought. Here's what we brought today. I'm going to use this Packtenna random length wire antenna. It's about 30 feet long. I'm going to string it up on this POTA 30 mast. It's a 33-foot mast, or 30-foot mast, I guess. And this stab in the ground fishing rod holder. Because I'm using the random wire antenna, I'm going to use this MAT 10 tuner. For a radio today, for a transceiver, I am going to use the CFT1. This is a 5-band CW only transceiver. I've used it one activation before, so this is going to be my second run with it. I'm going to power it with this 3-amp-hour Bioenno battery, use some RG316. For a speaker, I'm going to use this little Anchor. It works Bluetooth, but I plug it in direct. I don't have Bluetooth. I'm going to use a Key TP3. And so let's get a wire in the air. Let's get set up and let's get activated. Trying to find a decent place to put my microphone where it won't be so much in the wind, and it also won't be in my wind where I breathe with my mouth open. I'm a mouth breather, I guess. Of course, I walked all the way out here without an antenna. Get my antenna and some feed line. So this is a 9-to-1, so it does have a counterpoise. 17 feet is the length of the counterpoise, and I just made it out of some of that B&Tech Go, like 26 gauge wire. Nice silicone coated wire rather than plastic. So doesn't seem to have memory. It's really nice to work with, doesn't tangle. The goal here is to put your antenna, your mast into place where you can get as much wire as you can in the air, but still be close enough at the feed point that you're within range of the feed line. We'll see today how well this mast does in the wind. So not just the mast, but the little stab in the ground thing. This is the maiden operation of this RG360. Need enough to get to the radio. Well, the stabby doodad seems to be weathering pretty well. So I like to run my counterpoise 90 degrees to my radiator and the feed line. All right, let's get the rig set up and see where it takes us. Had a few setbacks. The wind is pretty rough, and it's done something to that Gigaparts mast, the POTA 30, but it acted like it collapsed, but then I couldn't get it back out. I can't get it back in, so it's stuck at that length. So I think that something might have folded inside of it and caused that problem. Or MAT 10, which I've never been super fond of this tuner. It wouldn't tune this random wire, but this good old American manual MFJ will. So let's get spotted, let's get set up, and let's get going. I think there's a contest this weekend. Got good SWR here, decent SWR. QQ. Okay. Okay. Colorado. Wasn't fair. Sorry. You're a strong signal. Tom. go. We're good. One of the things that I'm talking One of the things they don't talk about when it's cold and POTA is outside sitting on a concrete bench. My butt, which there is plenty of, is freezing. And the camera on the tripod is shaking from the wind. And I wonder if I can fix that up when I edit. We'll see. Okay, I think I've had enough. I am cold, my fingers hurt, I'm disappointed in my gear. That tuner let me down, that mast, which I really had high hopes for, really let me down. I'm mad about it. Okay, we got 11 contacts in 10 minutes, and that is not bad. So I had good propagation today. Once I got things working, they worked well, and I'm pleased with how they performed. You simply cannot beat a manual tuner. I'm sorry, all you people that love automatic tuners. I am one of them. I wish there was something as reliable. I wish they were I wish they had the range of tuning. But even my Elecraft T1 tuner is not as reliable as a manual tuner. So that's my lesson for the day. To me, is always make sure I have my backup, and I do, in my rolling ham radio outlet car that's full of all kinds of stuff I never use. So thanks for coming out. I appreciate that you took the time to watch the video and enjoy the park with me. I hope you're warmer than I am, and I will see you at the next one. 7-3.